The following video will demonstrate the proper procedures for replacing and cleaning a printhead on any 4, 6, or 8-inch T8000 thermal printer. First, you should remove any rings or other metallic objects from your hands prior to replacing the printhead. Then, open the pivoting deck. You will then remove the printhead by releasing the head retainer clips. Then, unplug the cables one at a time. Now that the old printhead has been removed, install the cables on the new printhead and insert it back into place. Once installed, be sure to verify the cables are not interfering with the ribbon. Before resuming, you'll want to clean the printhead surface using the Printronix cleaning pen or an alcohol wipe to remove any oils left behind. As a reminder, do not use any hard or sharp objects when cleaning the printhead or platen roller. Additionally, the platen roller can be cleaned with an alcohol wipe. For additional T8000 product information, visit printronix.com.